Good afternoon, my name is Lady Arteaga. How did this story end? 3 years ago, Joey met Susan at a party. She was a beautiful, intelligent, and rich. Every day he went to her house. He bought her flowers and chocolates. But she wasn't interested. He gave her a expensive gift, but she still wasn't interested. One day, Joy asked Susan to marry him, but she said no. He left her house very upset. He went home and cried. He didn't think he could love another one. He thought about Susan all the time. 8 months later, he met a woman named Ashley. Joy fell in love immediately. Ashley was everything he wanted, and she wanted to be with Joy. He knew it was the real thing, and he finally stopped thinking about Susan. One day, Joy and Ashley went out for a drive in their new sport car. Susan saw them for her house. At that moment, Susan fell in love with Joy, but her love for him came too late. Joy didn't love her anymore. Finally, Susan desesperated for Joy, but Joy didn't want to see her again. Susan began to feel desperate because she had lost the love of that man. She couldn't believe it. She didn't understand why Joy didn't love her. So Susan decided to chase him around town. He wanted her to forget about Ashley, and she had hoping that he would love her again. But Joy didn't interest in her. He fell in love harder for her. After a few days, Susan decided that she had to kill Ashley. Jane entered Ashley's house and attacked her. Ashley screamed help, but Susan didn't kill her because Joy came and avoided tragedy. Susan went to prison and Joy never loved her again. Meanwhile, Joy and Ashley traveled the world and were happy. Thank you.